wanted to know that they've made my job so enjoyable.
Me and Steve
Good luck with your new job.
just parked up in the car down this residential area. No word of a lie, we've just clocked. How many, Steve? 4? 4. 5 bitches getting undressed. I'll show you the window. Fucking hell! Look at them! Look at the Alan Wickers on them! Dirty bitches! All lined up! Yeah, sick holes! Cock fucking... Oh, I can't even understand it.
Look at them two. Got 4 up at the bedroom window.
Jesus, there's more up there! Check them out! That's well out of order. Jesus, cock teasing bitches. What do you say to that, Stevie?
Yeah.